Bill Goudy checking in. Let me turn this down. Wintertime projects. That's my rough draft. Alright, well, I'm building this one out of pine just for the measurements and make any adjustments I want, you know. And then that'll be just my rough draft, and I got some cedar wood over there. That's what I'm going to use. That's what I'm thinking. Oh yeah, taking some shape.
About ready to start a fire.
Yeah.
I mean, inside the firebox.
Not a welding fire.
Yeah, in the firebox.
A real fire. Yeah. It's good.
I ran a real nice. Okay. How do I make the flap so it doesn't just spin in there? Just cut that off a little bit.
Yeah, looks good. What you think there, Lucy Lou? Huh? Got a nice blanket? Is that a nice blanket? Was that nice a booger? Are you happy? Are you a happy puppy? Are you happy? Do you have kisses for me? Huh? Do you have kisses for me? Ah, look at these. I don't know if you can see them. Put a light on. Can you see that? She called these pea shoes. That's her pronunciation. I call them booties or slippers. That's what I call them. And I tell you what, they keep my feet warm. Yeah. And now Lucy Lou's got her own blanket. Such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Look at what else I got. You see that? Yeah, he made it. He made it on with everybody else. I'm running out of space. I'll have to come up with another idea, I guess, once this gets completely full. Look at this. I'll tell you what, the camera won't do this justice, but to see this in person, this is a ferro rod made by Dark Matter. DIY Dark Matter. And it is just awesome. It really is. And it's got a lanyard hole. I'm going to put a lanyard on it. Oh, that is so nice. It's so nice I don't even want to use it. Yeah, I'd like to just keep it just like it is. So nice. Thank you, Dark. Thank you very much. I want to thank every one of you guys. I really do. I mean, DIY Dark Matter and Booger and Lloyd and Christy and just everybody. You guys are all awesome. You really are. Lucy's glad to see me. Yeah, she's been lonesome. The weather's finally warming up. I got 40 degrees right out there right now and the sun's shining. Still, it's soft. It's soft because you know, frost went out now. The ground was frozen and now it's not. But so I was making it hard to get around in the woods. It's soft out there. Been working on other projects, as you can see. Goudy Jr.'s about got that smoker ready to go, and I've been building a few Adirondack chairs and getting ready for summer, springtime anyway. And that's what we do every day. I appreciate you watching. I surely do. This YouTube place, I've met so many neat people. I've learned so much. It's great. Thank you. Bill Goudy out.